Hey there! I'm here to talk about citation styles, and I represent the APA 7th edition.
And I'm the MLA 9th edition. We both serve important purposes but have some key differences.
That's right. APA is commonly used in the social sciences, like psychology and education.
And MLA is mainly used in the humanities, such as English and literature.
So, I've been looking into how we cite sources, and I noticed some differences between our styles.
Absolutely. In my style, we focus heavily on page numbers for in-text citations, especially in humanities.
That's right. In my style, dates are crucial. We use the author date format to highlight when research was published.
Exactly. For example, in MLA, if I want to cite a quote, I would write it like this, Smith 45.
In an APA, it would look like this, Smith, 2020, page 45. We include the publication year and the page number.
Right. And if the author's name is in the sentence, I only need the page number. According to Smith, writing is a process, 45.
In APA, it would be Smith, 2020, argued that writing is essential, page 45. We always include P for page numbers.
For multiple authors, I would write it as Smith and Jones 67, or Smith et al. 89, for 3 or more in MLA.
In APA, it's Smith and Jones, 2020, for 2 authors, and Smith et al. 2020, for 3 or more.
And don't forget about indirect sources. In MLA, we use QTD. In like this, QTD. In Johnson 102.
In APA, we have special rules for personal communications and legal sources, but they aren't included in the reference list.
So, the key takeaway is that MLA focuses on pinpointing sources with page numbers, while APA emphasizes the publication date.
Exactly. Understanding these differences can really help writers align their citations with academic expectations. Let's talk about the references page in APA 7th.
Absolutely. The works cited page in MLA 9th is quite distinct. In MLA, the format is author's last name, first name, title of source, publisher, year.
In an APA, it goes author's last name, first initial, year, title and sentence case, publisher.
For example, in MLA, a book citation would look like this, Smith, John. The Art of Writing. Penguin, 2020.
In APA, it would be Smith, J, 2020. The Art of Writing. Penguin.
And notice how MLA uses title case for titles, while APA uses sentence case.
Exactly. And let's not forget punctuation. APA uses periods and parentheses strategically, while MLA uses periods after most elements.
True. Also, for online sources, APA prefers clickable links, while MLA might include access dates if necessary.
Understanding these differences is crucial for clarity and credibility in academic writing.
Absolutely. Choosing the right format helps ensure that sources are properly cited and respected.